Hello, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you don't already subscribe to my channel, it would be fantastic if you would. Bottom right hand corner you will find a little button to do that. Hit the alert bell as well, and then you will know when I have posted a video or go live. Today I am showing you, excuse me, I'm a bit hoarse, one of the cards that is in the card kit that I send to my lovely customers who use the host code. So this is for my September customers. This is the card that I'm going to show you how to make today. I've done a video for the other card as well, because they get 2 cards. In your kit you will find a piece of white card, because that goes on the inside. 2 pieces of gold shimmer ribbon. This is from the annual catalogue. 2 pieces of Blackberry Beauty designer series paper, a piece of Blackberry Bliss cut as a mat, and a piece of Blackberry Bliss that is your card. Yours will be cut short and fat rather than long and thin, but it makes the same size card. Really quick to put together, so let me just pop those out of the way for the moment. The first thing I'm going to do is add adhesive. Actually, I'm going to add the adhesive to my card because there's only a very small margin, so I do sometimes find it easier to add the adhesive to the card rather than the paper that I'm sticking to it. That way I'm sticking something that isn't sticky onto something that is, and it's much easier, you don't get stuck to the paper. Just a little tip there. So just get that straight. So that's that. This I'm going to stick to the front of my card. This time I am going to put the adhesive onto my paper. This is a size that I use regularly. There's a bit more wiggle room on this, so it's not so tricksy. Love this paper. Oh, I love this paper. It would actually make a really good paper for Christmas cards if you want an alternative colour scheme for your Christmas. Just saying. Right, so for this I need to add some ribbon, which means I need some Seal Plus or tear and tape. You could use glue dots. You want a strong adhesive because although it's only there for show, it's kind of better if it's reasonably robust. So I'm just going to line that up so that I know that that lined up can give me a line to pop my ribbon on. Both these pieces of ribbon are the same length. They're about 4 inches. Pull this so that it's taut and lined up on that grid paper, and that's that. Add some more seal over the top. I am then going to add dimensionals onto this, but that just gives it a bit of an extra seal so that the ribbon actually stays put. Now I'm using an extra dimensional just because I want the ribbon put in place. Otherwise I would only use 6 on this particular size piece of card. So I go into each corners and roughly the middle. And then remove the backings. And pop it on the front of my card. And then we just need to add the other bit of ribbon, pop the liner in, and we're done. But such a stunning card. I mean, it really is an amazingly just elegant card. So this needs to go as close to the middle as we can get it. There we go. Get rid of those bits. Those will go in the bin in a moment. And then this piece, just slide under your first piece of ribbon, tie in a half knot, pull tight, oops, preferably without letting go, there we go, and then just come in and snip your ends off. I have given deliberately a longer piece than you end up with, because if you go too short, it's a nightmare to actually tie the ribbon because it's too short. So that's the outside finished, and then for the inside all I need to do is add some adhesive and we are done. How quick was that? Now, the dimensions will be on my blog post. The link to that is in the description bar below the video. So you can just click on that link. It's the associated blog post. And you will get over to see the dimensions, exactly what I've used, some close-up photos, all that good stuff. If you're in the UK or France, Germany, Austria or the Netherlands, if you need any product, I would be thrilled if you would consider shopping with me. And then in November, you might get your customer card kit. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Such an elegant card. If you've got any questions or comments, leave those below the description bar and I will get back to you. If you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!